Welcome back. The 2026 BMW Alpina XB7 is one of those SUVs that quietly sits at the very top of the luxury performance world. At first glance, it looks like a refined version of the already impressive BMW X7. But once you understand what Alpina does to this vehicle, you realize it is something far more special. This is not just a luxury SUV with a big engine. It is a carefully engineered machine designed to deliver power, comfort, and exclusivity all in one package. The 2026 Alpina XB7 immediately stands out with its distinctive design touches. The front fascia features the signature Alpina grille with subtle detailing that separates it from the standard X7. Large air intakes help with cooling, while also giving the SUV a confident and powerful presence on the road. The LED headlights are sleek and modern, and the front bumper design feels both sporty and elegant at the same time. Moving to the side, the Alpina XB7 shows off its iconic multi-spoke Alpina wheels, which have become a signature of the brand. These wheels are not just for looks. They are designed to improve aerodynamics and enhance high-speed stability. The long and wide body of the XB7 gives it a commanding road presence, and the subtle Alpina badging reminds enthusiasts that this is not an ordinary luxury SUV. At the rear, the design continues with quad exhaust outlets integrated into the sporty rear bumper. The rear spoiler and clean LED taillights give the SUV a balanced and refined look. Overall, the exterior design of the Alpina XB7 manages to feel luxurious, aggressive, and sophisticated without being overly flashy. Inside the 2026 Alpina XB7, the cabin immediately feels like a high-end luxury lounge. Alpina has carefully upgraded the interior with premium materials, including Lavallina leather, fine wood trim, and hand-finished details throughout the cabin. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, making long drives feel effortless. The dashboard features BMW's latest curved display system that combines a digital instrument cluster with a large infotainment screen. The graphics are sharp, the interface is smooth, and the system responds quickly to touch or voice commands. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are fully integrated, allowing seamless connectivity with smartphones. One of the biggest strengths of the XB7 is space. As a full-size luxury SUV, it offers 3 rows of seating with plenty of room for passengers. The second row is especially comfortable, and buyers can choose between a bench seat or captain's chairs. Even the third row provides enough space for adults, which is something many SUVs in this segment struggle with. The Alpina touches inside the cabin make the experience even more special. The steering wheel features Alpina stitching and a unique design. The digital instrument cluster displays Alpina-specific graphics. Even the door sills and floor mats carry the Alpina branding, reminding you that this is a handcrafted performance SUV. Under the hood is where the 2026 Alpina XB7 truly comes alive. Power comes from a specially tuned 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Alpina engineers have carefully refined this engine to deliver incredible performance while maintaining smoothness and reliability. The result is around 630 horsepower and a massive amount of torque available across a wide range of speeds. This power is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that has been specifically calibrated by Alpina. Gear changes feel smooth, but quick, allowing the XB7 to accelerate effortlessly. Despite being a large luxury SUV, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds. That is sports car territory for a vehicle that can comfortably carry 7 people. The all-wheel drive system ensures that power is delivered smoothly to the road in all conditions. Whether driving on wet roads, highways, or mountain routes, the XB7 remains stable and confident. The performance feels powerful, but never aggressive in a way that would compromise comfort. The suspension system is another area where Alpina has done significant work. The air suspension has been retuned to provide a balance between comfort and performance. On long highway drives, the ride feels incredibly smooth and quiet. But when the road becomes more dynamic with curves and elevation changes, the XB7 remains composed and responsive. The steering feels precise for a vehicle of this size, and the overall driving experience feels surprisingly agile. Alpina has managed to make a large luxury SUV feel smaller and more controlled than you might expect. This makes the XB7 enjoyable to drive not just as a family vehicle, but also as a performance machine. Technology and driver assistance features are also a big part of the 2026 Alpina XB7 experience. The SUV comes equipped with BMW's latest safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and traffic jam assistance. These systems work together to reduce driver stress during long journeys or busy city driving. Parking is also easier thanks to the advanced camera system that provides a full 360-degree view of the vehicle. The automated parking assistant can even handle tight parking spaces with minimal driver input. For such a large SUV, these features make daily use much more convenient. Another highlight of the XB7 is its attention to refinement. The cabin remains extremely quiet even at high speeds. Road noise, wind noise, and engine noise are all carefully controlled. When you want to enjoy the powerful V8 engine, it delivers a deep and satisfying sound. But when cruising, the vehicle feels calm, and peaceful cargo space is also impressive. With the third row folded down, the XB7 provides a large cargo area that can easily handle luggage, sports equipment, or shopping. Folding the second row expands the space even further, making the SUV practical for road trips or large family needs. One of the key reasons people choose Alpina models is exclusivity. Unlike standard BMW vehicles that are produced in large numbers, Alpina models are built in much smaller quantities. Each vehicle receives special engineering attention and unique details that make it feel more personal and unique. The 2026 Alpina XB7 continues this tradition. It offers the practicality of a full-size luxury SUV combined with the performance of a high-end sports vehicle and the craftsmanship of a luxury brand. Few vehicles manage to blend these qualities as successfully as the XB7. For buyers looking for a luxury SUV that goes beyond the typical premium experience, the Alpina XB7 stands in a category of its own. It delivers incredible power, exceptional comfort, advanced technology, and a level of exclusivity that makes it truly special. The 2026 BMW Alpina XB7 proves that a family SUV does not have to sacrifice performance or luxury. Instead, it brings all three elements together into one remarkable vehicle that feels just as comfortable on a long road trip as it does accelerating onto the highway with confidence and power.